Hello guys, ang ganda ng weather. Bakit ako naglagay ng mask? Kasi yung allergy ko guys, grabe.
Hi!
Kaya hindi ako
Hi!
Ayaw. Kailangan kong may mask. Otherwise, wala na pingot ng ilong.
This is me.
I know, that's my baby love Sophia. Say hello.
Hello. I'm 4 years old.
You do?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to kindergarten soon.
I know, I can't believe that.
Yeah.
My baby is going to kindergarten.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You do. But mommy will miss you though.
You're gonna miss me because
Yes,
I'm
I
gonna
will.
go to school.
Yeah, and I'll see you 3 o'clock in the afternoon from 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Oh boy, that's gonna be a long way.
Yeah. You have to fall asleep without me.
Oh
You have
no.
to fall asleep.
I have to take a nap without you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be sad.
Because I'm gonna be at school.
I know.
You're gonna miss me, guys, right?
I'm gonna take a video and then they're not gonna miss you.
Yeah.
They'll see your video and say, oh wow, look at that little Fia. Now she's growing up.
Yeah.
She's going to school.
And also, Alex is my friend.
Oh yeah, right?
Yeah.
You have a friend. Alright guys, so we're waiting for Celestine. to
Yeah,
come
and we're gonna
out.
go to the store. So, bye. See you later.
Oo guys, punta kami ng store. Bili ng banana, wala kasi kaming banana.
Bye.
Bye. Bili kami ng banana.
Bye.
So tingnan natin mamaya.
Bye.
Pero super ganda ng weather. Mainit guys. Naku, I think this summer is gonna be very very warm.
Bye.
Parang global warming na ba? Kaya yun guys. So tingnan natin. Tingnan ito nyo yung dahon na ito. Oh. May flower pa. Kaya yung allergy ko super. Tingnan ninyo. I know. I can't believe that. Are you excited to go to school soon?
Yeah, but after we pick up my sister, well, guess what, guys? We're gonna go to the store.
The store? What are you gonna get in the store?
Some candy.
Candy again.
Yes.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I heard a police car. Guys, ang ganda ng weather. See, ito yung mga ganyan guys.
Check.
Yan. Flowers yan. Pero malapit na siyang maano yung flower. Mga green na yung dahon. Ayan. Yan ang nag-focus ng allergy for me. Ayun, nak.
This is my cutie hair.
Oh, yan. I know. It's cutie hands. Where's your cutie hands then? Show them. Here you go. Kaya ganyan guys. Yung mga dahon na ganyan. Yan ang ano. Sa mga flowers. Alam niyo ba guys, yung ano ko, yung ayan siya, daffodil yan. Wala ng ano, wala ng flowers. Yung akin din patay na. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Maganda yung daffodil, pero pag wala ng flower, ganyan na lang siya. Oo, tapos wala na, mamamatay na din yan. Oo, ganyan. Pero itong evergreen tree, hindi talaga yan siya namamatay. All year round. Ayan o. Tinatawag na evergreen tree kasi hindi namamatay. Ayan. So, okay guys. So, we'll see you later guys. When kukunin na namin si Celestine.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
There, it's in there. So,
Yeah, we'll see you later, guys. And then we're gonna go to the store and see you. Bye.
bye. Ang ganda ng puno. Oh. Kaya malamig sa ilalim guys. Ito yan. Ang ganda. Oh. Ayan, naglalaro siya. Ayan, gusto talaga niyan sa slide. Go na, dali na. Go faster. Ayan. Wala 3 o'clock na, so lalabas na yung mga estudyante. Go, let's go na. No running, uy. Ayan, puno na naman yung basket ni Sofia.
Yeah.
Ah.
We're done picking up my sister and say hi, Sophie.
Say hi, Celestine. Ayan. $35 yan, $35. Ayan. Where are you going? Yeah, go out there. Okay, careful. Careful, careful.